All right. Well, here we go. So this is a test hangout. Just looking to check if we can sort of tweet or not, depending upon whether the hangout has gone live. The hangout's gone live now. The video stream should be in place. So I'm going to try specifically notifying on Slack again. And I'm not getting any errors in the okay, just hit refresh on the wrong window there. I was just trying to refresh our Adjuvant's Twitter account, where I'm hoping to see some change there. Nothing coming through. I guess what I want to try and do, can I get the event instance that has got this particular YouTube ID? This is YouTube. So look up, try and work out from the DB schema, the YouTube, what am I looking for? Event instances. It has a YT video ID. Is the right, and just looking for it to be, yeah, okay. For YouTube tweet sent is nil. Hmm. 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 So I've got the event instance. It's not, this is with the current, it's got the YT video ID, and that would have been set beforehand. I guess ask about the duration of this. Right, okay, so the duration is still 0. So it does, it certainly appears to be blocking something that's not got a duration. I guess it's, I guess if I go to another window and I look at the, I guess that means that this, okay. I guess it's, I go to another window. Okay. So the stream is certainly live and running. Yeah. Well, I guess that's probably about as working as it's going to be. Yes. I guess the thing to do is to leave that running. This duration is still. Should we ask? Thanks, Raoul. So we've got, I was just about to, I might as well screen share this stuff while it's going on. I've got video. Can I ask is live? I'm just wondering if there's a different. Hey, Matt.
Hi, Sam.
Were you working in another Hangout? If I interrupted you?
No, I was. Michael and I were not now.
Oh, did I
doing random stuff?
Oh, okay, right. Yeah.
So interrupt me.
Yeah. So well, I'm just. I've made some progress, and I was just going to say, yeah. So the interesting thing is, so anyway, so I moved that. Gosh, what's it called? I moved that
file
into the initializers, and I'm pretty sure that's worked because now when I log into the Rails console, I don't need to load that config. So I've made that change in staging. I'll push that back into develop. So this Hangout that we're in now was started on staging. It's been pinging. We've got an Agile Ventures mentors Slack that it's been pinging there basically, and so that's all working. I'm now not seeing the gosh, what's it called? I'm not seeing the error that I posted in. So the things seem to be going smoothly. What I can see if we look here, this is the event instance ID or the event instance.
Yes.
And you can see it's got YouTube tweet sent nil, and basically I enabled the Twitter stuff, and I'm fairly sure it just hasn't. I don't think it's tweeted anything. So that's that in some ways that's working as we expect. What is not quite the way we want it, I think, is that so this is the idea of the video. Yeah. Okay. And so we've got the video, that's great. But now the video duration, this is after I've taken the stream live, is still 0. So I was just looking at, there are other methods like live streaming details and so on. I have a suspicion that maybe we won't get a duration until the video has actually finished, the stream is finished. Do you know what I mean?
Oh, darn. Yeah.
So I think what I'm tempted to do with this is that I'm probably going to deploy it because, I think that's the way to go because, basically it's the problem we're addressing here is that lots of blank video feeds are going out, and I think what we will have here is a blanket fix so that no video feeds will go out, and I think then potentially we can re-enable them if we want to. I'm just looking at this. Is this? Oh, is it Control F live? There's live broadcast content, live streaming detail. Yeah, I guess there's.
Get a pen and write this down.
I mean, the live streaming details. Is there a thing that actually like caption license content, live streaming details? I mean, if I get one of the previous videos, what does that have in terms of live streaming videos? So Control A, finished equals finished live streaming details. That's interesting. What does that have? Certainly the one that is currently live seems to have more information in there. I'm not finding a kind of a simple, I guess what we want to it feels like what we should be. What does that say? Live broadcast content. It feels like there should be some, kind of Boolean question that we can ask. Has this video gone live? And that's sort of actually what we want to be switching on, rather than necessarily on the duration.
Okay. Has the video gone live?
This is interesting. So the YT code doesn't have any issues. Interesting.
I opened an issue, I think, but I had to open it on like
Different.
full screen, maybe. Yes, somewhere. Yeah, it doesn't let you open issues on it. But I thought I opened one on it. Maybe not. I'm just on the computer.
Okay. Yeah, I just thought I was going to look through here for some mechanism for. I'm missing it. So in here, we've got live streaming details. Authors nil in both cases. ID. That's just truncated. Live streaming detail. There's a single. Okay. Here we go. We've got the finished live streaming details, start time, end time. If I then go to video live streaming detail, actual start time, scheduled start time.
Live streaming detail dot actual start time, if that's.
So that, yeah, presumably that indicates the time that it actually went live, and that looks right. So yeah, I guess what we should be checking for, can we do actual streaming dot? It looks like a hash there, doesn't it? Can we, what's the public methods on that? Yeah, so we can just ask the actual start time. There we go.
Okay.
So I guess what the check to do now would be to see what that is for a new Hangout, but it because presumably this will be nil before it starts. I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to stop this broadcast and create another one. Say again.
Do you want me to start it so you don't have to be doing?
Yeah, you could. Well, if you went to the staging server.
And staging, I forget.
Yeah. No, I'll do it. I'll post you the link as soon as it's done. Yeah.
Okay.